Good day, everybody. It's Trent Klarenbach with Klarenbach Grain Report. Today is November the 5th, 2025. Let's take a look at Kansas City wheat futures. This here is the weekly chart on Kansas City. It's the continuous chart, and this is what we're looking at here. So take a look at, I got this chart cleaned up here right now because typically gets messy, but we saw this nice little rally in Kansas City wheat prices for the last 4 weeks. And it's coming right up to this previous level of support. Support back here in August of 24, a support back here in December. So really, when you want to think about it, we're actually, the futures prices are back to where we were a year ago, which, I don't know, probably wasn't good then, probably not good now. But it's really going to be interesting to me to how the price reacts at that level. We have this green 50-week moving average lining up with this previous support level. Previous support often acts as resistance. Moving averages often act as resistance also. It's going to be interesting to see how the price reacts at this level. Let's just put on our volume profile here and see what we got going on here. So yeah, this volume profile, these bars represent how much supply was at that level before, or how much has been traded at these price points. So you can see there's a fair bit of supply. Maybe we really can get up to that 550, 560 level, and there's a lot of supply there to work through. So we're working through that supply actually quite nicely, but that 560 level is the point of control. So if we get above there, then I think there's less resistance for the price to move higher. There's less supply, but we got to get up there. There's 550, 560 is going to be really tricky, as is this level here at around that 540. So we're not out of the woodwork yet, but it's starting to look a little bit better. If I look at the daily chart, and we are above this 50-day moving average, which is advancing. It's rising. Got the 200-day overhead, and that's still declining, so obviously we're still in a downtrend. But anticipate some sort of selling going on around this 540 level, some sort of resistance, and maybe we get a pullback down to this $5 maybe. But they're starting to see some little signs of hope in the wheat market. This is what we're used to. A bunch of lines on a chart. Okay, we've looked at these moving averages. Let's clean them up so it's not so messy. But yeah, we're finding that this Fibonacci level around 540, and this trend line here from this high, this VWAP from this high back in February, all those points are going to act as some sort of resistance. We're going to see some selling, some sort of reaction at this level. Either the price is going to get rejected, or we're just going to see a slowdown and some consolidation at the level. I think we're going to get rejected. I think we get pulled back, but that remains to be seen. But I do like this. Let's get rid of this. But if you take a look at this here, this line here and this trend line, though, it forms a nice little wedge, and that can be a bullish chart pattern if we can break above there. And maybe we get up to this 580, pull back, and then we'll take another run at it. But we got to get above this 540 level. We got to get above 560. But there's some signs of hope here for the wheat market. My name is Trent Klarenbach. It's sunny in Saskatoon. Life's good.